Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1aauto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fog lights. This is a 2016 Ford F-150. Pretty much the same, as long as the fog lights look like the ones on this vehicle. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, click subscribe. Also, check out 1aauto.com for all your parts needs. The items you'll need for this repair are rubber gloves, Phillips screwdriver, and a couple different size flat blade screwdrivers. So we have our vehicle up on a lift just to make it easier to film, but you can easily do this with the vehicle on the ground. The back side of your fog light, the adjusting screw, and your bulb. If you're just looking to replace the bulb, turn it counterclockwise. Actually, on this one, you should be able to turn it counterclockwise. And then bring the bulb down and out. And just disconnect here. This will make it disconnect there. Bulb's out. New bulb, you want to be careful never to touch the glass surface with your fingers, because the oils on your fingers will actually cause the bulb to burn out sooner. And actually, to get it in, you want to have it disconnected. Put it into place. It should be facing towards the inside of the car on the driver's side. Push it in, lock it down into place, and then reconnect your lead. If you need to replace your whole fog light because it's been damaged, take the bulb and harness out. If you still have a good bulb, careful not to touch it with your fingers again. Disconnect it for now, because it'll make it easier to get back together later. You want to remove your adjusting screw. You can see I put a little red dot on my screwdriver, just to help me keep count. There's one, and you just want to keep touching the spring until you feel that the spring's loose. One turn, half a turn. All right, 1.5 turns and my spring's loose. So I'll just remember that, and then I'll take the screw out the rest of the way. Screw comes out, and then pull the spring out as well. So now the fog light, or what's left of your fog light, is basically just held in with a couple of big clips. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pry out on this side. Get a nice big screwdriver in there. Okay, and as I'm prying out on this side, I'm gonna, with my fingers, push the fog light over and try to release the other side. All right, so I've got the other side released. And then with that side released, I'm actually just gonna pry even more on this side. Actually, I'm gonna push from the back. I'm gonna pry. I've got the big one stuck in there. Use this small one just to pry a little more. So I got the outside free. I'm just gonna pull it this way to release it the rest of the way from the housing. And your replacement light, it's really easy. Get it in nice and straight. It pops right in place, and it's free until you put the adjustment screw back in it. And then put the spring back in place. Push the light up a little bit, get it roughly in place, pull the light back down. Put the screw up in. Start the screw. And if you remember, we counted 1.5 turns, so the spring is loose right now. Get the screw up till it's roughly in place. And just kind of keep touching the screw and the spring. And once the spring stops moving around, all right, there's our mark, space in the back. So there's a half, 1 turn, 1.5 turns. That's a good preliminary adjustment. And then if you wanted to raise the level of your fog lights, you turn it clockwise. To lower the level of your fog lights, you turn it counterclockwise. If the fog light comes with the bulb in it, that's great. If not, obviously you gotta feed it up in place. You'll want to use rubber gloves because you kind of do have to touch that glass a little bit. And turn it clockwise to lock it in place. And reconnect your lead. Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.